Hi there. Today we are going to make hummus. It's very easy recipe and it's very tasty. So we're gonna use something, just sesame oil. Something depends. Oil and sesame. This olive oil. This the chickpea. This little bit of mint and garlic. So we added the garlic and chickpea together and then smash it. We already boil it, and I put this salt, little salt. You can add it and taste it what you want. Yeah, also lime. So lime getting is like a little sour flavor for this recipe, and I know normally some people doesn't use this. Is we started to smash it. You already boil it. This chickpea, cardamom, then we add it olive oil, olive olive oil, and this little bit of spiced mint leaf. So it often, if somebody doesn't like olive oil and olive or chick mint leaf, don't need to add also sesame oil. Not really necessary, but I like that. And I'm gonna add to this, and also olive oil. I think olive oil is a little bit important for this recipe. If not, it's a little bit dry, and we keep it like moisture with olive oil. I'm gonna also add it like a pan-fried sesame. It's also not necessary to add more sesame. It's up to you, but it's really good taste. Believe me, this chili. I'm gonna add a little, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and this also black pepper, grounded black pepper is also like quarter teaspoon. Then we chopped everything together. This is tahini. It's also sesame paste. We add it around 1.5 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, something like around. And there also lime we add it same time because it's, we need to have a little bit moisture. That's what I'm saying already. Yeah, we add it like around half lime, and also the flavor of sour flavor. Just thanks for watching, and we already everything is mixed it and chopped it. This is how it looks like. It's really good taste. I also already I hope so enjoy it, and please try to subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos and leave the comments also. This is my recipe. It's not really traditional hummus recipe. This is totally my one, and I hope so enjoy it. Thank you for watching.